signs, it's everywhere. Tsunamis and hurricanes bringing destruction, increasingly intense. Temperatures, the poles breaking apart, melting, rising ocean levels, flooding the sands, animals fleeing their natural habitats, as if they knew something terrible was coming. Nations rising against nations, governments rehearsing conflict, nuclear threats leaving human beings distressed, movements recorded in deep space, causing whispers, questions, and bringing insecurity to the world. Artificial intelligence behaving in a surreal way, coexisting with the threat of a third world war. Violence is trivialized, the massacre of innocent children. In the East it can be argued, the future is a bleak reality, recorded in a book with blank pages. Intolerance is on the rise, making the right to an opinion impossible. Each person defending their vision as absolute truth. What does the other think? Oh, it doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. Nations rising against nations, governments rehearsing kill drugs, nuclear threats leaving human beings distressed, movements recorded in deep space, causing whispers, questions, and bringing insecurity to the world. Coexisting with the threat of a third world war. Violence is trivialized, the massacre of innocent children. In the East it can be argued, the future is a grim reality, recorded in a book with blank pages. Nature is giving signs, and when humanity decides to wake up, it may be too late.